Kitchens are one of the most important part of any house. To plan a good and functional kitchen, it is important to know the different types of kitchens. There are many types of kitchens, some of it are discussed here. Traditional kitchen. This type of kitchen is typically separate from the rest of the house and has a more formal, classic feel. It often includes a separate dining area and is designed for entertaining. Modern kitchen. This type of kitchen has a more contemporary, sleek design and is often open to the rest of the house. It may have clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a focus on functionality. Rustic kitchen. A rustic kitchen is designed to have a warm, homey feel and often incorporates natural materials like wood and stone. It may have a country or cabin-like aesthetic. Mid-century modern kitchen. This type of kitchen is inspired by the design style of the mid-1900s and typically has a retro, vintage feel. It may have geometric shapes, bold colors, and an emphasis on simplicity. Industrial kitchen. An industrial kitchen has a raw, utilitarian look and may be found in a restaurant or other commercial setting. It may feature exposed brick or concrete walls, metal surfaces, and industrial-style lighting. Now we will discuss important considerations for designing a good kitchen. There are many considerations to keep in mind when designing a kitchen, some of it are as follows. Functionality. A well-designed kitchen should be efficient and easy to use. Consider the layout of the space, the placement of appliances and storage, and the flow of traffic. Storage. Adequate storage is essential in a kitchen. Consider adding cabinets, pantries, and shelving to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Counter space. Ample counter space is crucial for food preparation and other kitchen tasks. Make sure there is enough space for all of your appliances and gadgets. Lighting. Good lighting is important for both function and aesthetics. Consider adding a mix of task lighting, such as under-cabinet lights, and ambient lighting, such as pendant lights or recessed lighting. Budget. Determine how much you are willing and able to spend on your kitchen renovation before you start the design process. This will help you prioritize your needs and make informed decisions. Style. Choose a design style that reflects your personal taste and complements the overall aesthetic of your home. Appliances. Select appliances that are energy efficient and meet your needs in terms of size and function. Materials. Choose materials that are durable, easy to maintain, and fit your budget. Consider factors such as the cost, appearance, and lifespan of different materials.